Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to check the transaction history in QuickBooks. Let's dive right in. First, sign into the QuickBooks online platform. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the settings icon located at the top right corner. Now, select the Audit Log option under the Tools section. This action will reveal the activities performed by all the users. Here, you can also filter by options like User, Date Changed, and Events. To check the transaction history, go to the Events section and click on the checkbox below it. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the All Transactions option to view all transactions. You will be able to see all the transactions performed by the users. To view more details of any transaction, click on the View link next to it and look under the History section. Here, you can see all the details about this transaction, including its type, name, date, and amount. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching.